I'm gonna need you to take a seat here.
But for me to get in my sexy mode, I'm gonna need you to take off the hat and stop picking your toes.
Sir, I'm gonna need you to take off your hat and show me some ID.
Sorry, space-time continuum, but I'm gonna need you to take a few more hits.
So for this to work, I'm gonna need you to take every instinct you have and bury it deep, deep down.
Done.
I'm sorry, I can't help you.
I'm sorry, I can't help you.
I'm sorry, I can't help you.
I'm sorry, I can't help you there.
I'm sorry, I can't help you, Bruce.
Yeah, man, would you turn that shit off? You're gonna get us in trouble with that human society.
You're gonna get us in trouble.
You're gonna get us in trouble.
Ah! You're gonna get us in trouble!
You're gonna get us in trouble.
I'm gonna call the cops.
And if you show your face around, I'm gonna call the cops on you. All right?
Look, please. I'm gonna call the cops if you don't move the dresses back in.
No, but I'm gonna call the cops because there's something fishy going on around here.
Oh, I'm gonna call the cops too and be like, you know, just so you know, I wanna know I run coke and heroin in case that's irrelevant.
I didn't want anyone to know.
I didn't want anyone to know until it's happened.
I didn't want anyone to know what I was doing here.
I didn't want anyone to know, okay?
Anyone to know.
I'm gonna be late for work.
I'm gonna be late for work. I'm gonna be late for work.
I'm going to be late for work. I'm going to be late for work.
Go to work tonight.
I know.
All right, we gotta get back to the boat.
All right, see you, man.
Oh, God, you've got to leave quickly.
But I've got to proceed cautiously. This is
I'm gonna pee again.
Miles passed away last night.
Spaghetti passed away last night.
Our dear curate, William Waitman, lost his fight with this terrible cholera and passed away last night.
A student here at Aubrey Field, Brett Newport, passed away last night.
She passed away last night.
Something you're not telling us.
There's something you're not telling us.
Something you're not telling us, and I got a right to know.
There's something you're not telling us.
There's something you're not telling us.
I've devoted my entire life to crime since I was 12 years old.
Did you know I was reading since I was 12 years old?
Mr. Coolidge, I have been looking at sliders since I was 12 years old.
I've been thinking about this day since I was 12 years old.
Hey, I've been working since I was 12 years old.
She doesn't know what she's talking about.
Mother, she doesn't know what she's talking about.
Sally. Listen, she doesn't know what she's talking about.
My
look.
wife's been having some bad dreams, and she doesn't know what she's talking about.
Yeah.
She's the head of NASA, but maybe she doesn't know what she's talking about.
Maria, could you give us a moment alone?
Could you, give us a moment?
Could you give us a moment, please?
Could you give us a moment, please, Fred?
Could you give us a moment?
I've got some good news for you.
Listen, I got some good news for you.
I've got some good news for you lot.
Lydia, I've got some good news for you.
I've got some good news for you and some potentially upsetting news.
I've never seen anything quite like it.
No, I've never seen anything quite like it before. I've never seen anything quite like it.
I've never seen anything quite like it.
I've never seen anything quite like it.
I'm gonna go freshen up.
Now that we got that part settled, I'm gonna go freshen up my coffee and let you gentlemen cross those T's.
So I'm gonna go freshen up for our big night out. Excuse me, I'm gonna go freshen up a little bit.